So in this video, I'm going to tell you how to create privacy pages, shipping information, as well as disclaimer to our Shopify store. Just go to settings, and here is the option where we can create privacy policies. Now here policies, okay. On this option privacy, I have already put here. I have been privacy policy, refund policy. You can just simply generate this policy from ChatGPT. So here is an option for privacy policy and terms of services. So in terms of services, we have created one template here. You just this have to copy down in terms of service. Okay. So in this way, we can add privacy policy, disclaimer, shipping policies inside the Shopify. You just need to create these kind of templates from ChatGPT or else from Google. Then make sure you just go to settings and check the options of privacy policies, disclaimer, and other important policy pages. I hope you understand this video. If you have any question, any doubt, feel free to ask in the comment box. I will definitely reply to all your questions. Thank you so much. Have a nice day. Bye. Take care.